Good morning, guys. So today let's check out. Let's see what we got today. Look at that, another gorgeous day here in Florida, guys. And we definitely gonna get in the water today with this thing's called a BOTE Rover. I don't know if you guys heard about a BOTE Rover, but on a minute I'm gonna show you what exactly it is. Big paddleboard with an engine on it. First is first, we gotta eat. All right, guys, so we here, and this is what I'm talking about. Here's the wheel rack. It's a roller. If we are like far away from the water, you just hop on that and boop, ready to roll. So I'm here today with Rachel, having some fun. Show him. There they are.
There's no way I could be able to park here.
What did I tell you?
Yeah. So try Norriega.
Norriega is where?
The end of Holiday Gulf Shore Drive.
Got you.
Very end of Gulf Shore.
Got you. All right, see you there. Yeah, I told him that it was a little too late. It was a little late to coming here to Redneck Beach, because you got to be here like at 8 if you want to park, if you want to find parking lot. And as of right now, everything is just full. It's clogged, and you can see it's just car after car after car after car. And he's pulling a trailer, so yeah. Let's try it somewhere else. Here we go, guys. Okay, guys, so we just got here and we got our last spot available. We just got it. Yes. Last spot available, and it's for employees only, okay? Just be sure of that. Employees only. And guess what kind of vehicle I got? A work vehicle. So yes, employees only, okay? Finally made it on the water. You can leave the wheel car on. You can fucking leave the wheel car on, dude.
There's gonna be a lot of drag.
Yeah. Very fucking cool. There we go.
Time in the water.
Huh?
First time in the water.
First time in the water.
Be about the right setting.
All right.
Boy, they've increased the clearance. My clearance was about 3/4 of an inch between here and the board.
And now we got like 6
now
inches.
It's about that much.
Yeah.
Because they were hitting the boards.
Yeah.
No shit, guys.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
You had an.
Glad I got to let y'all learn by my experience.
Yeah. He had one of the first rover that they built, and it wasn't a very
Field tested.
But yeah, this is the latest product that just came out. It's called Gator Shelf. It's a lot stronger. It's a lot more durable, and should last longer. So we see. First time in the water. Let's try. The motor is giving us a little bit hard time, but it's okay.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's fucking. It haven't come on for a while.
I didn't have gas in the car.
Right there?
Oh, I'm ready. Here.
All right, get in.
Brush off the powder. Why, thank you, sir.
I'm here for you. I don't care about your dad. He can struggle.
He's gonna look for another sandwich.
Yeah, he's just he's probably looking for another one. Where did I put my Dad? You already ate it.
There we go. That works.
Okay, cool.
But first, legs out. You gotta get that tan.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Yep. See ya. Don't go too far. How's it going, man? Oh, that looks pretty neat. Those are probably like the latest one that they just came out with?
Yeah, it's 2019.
Wow, yeah, that looks very nice.
Yeah, I like the color of it.
Yeah, and the color too. But yeah, I like this here.
Oh yeah. That's like, yeah, it's built for fishing, so this has a rod limit on it.
That's pretty neat, man.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. Mario, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
I eventually want to get something like that, but it was still too much to begin.
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but hey, it's awesome. Yeah, you too, man. Have a good one. Woo!
I've been trying hard to keep my cool, but when you're near, there's nothing that I can do. When you're walking in, I know it's true. It doesn't even matter how hard I try, 'cause when I hear your voice, my walls come down. Boy, you are the only thing I want. There must be a way I can make you see that if we fell in love, it would be so sweet. But when it's you and me, nobody can bring us down, bring us down. But I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back. 'Cause I don't wanna look up if you don't love me back.
We are on the look for Rachel. If anybody have seen Rachel, please contact it to us. Guys, tell us if anybody have seen Rachel. Have you seen Rachel, sir? I'm looking, man. Don't press me, man. Don't push me, man.
Which color kayak was she in?
The blue one. It's a blue kayak. How many feet long? 25 feet long.
Right.
Hey! Have you seen Rachel? We're looking for Rachel.
Yes, she's over there.
Where? We found Rachel! Yeah! She's over there! We found Rachel! There is Rachel! We were looking for you! Yes! I swear! I found you! There she is! Rachel! Rachel!